You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word correctly in English, and we'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary pronunciations that are controversial, let's say polarizing, confusing. So let's break down the pronunciation. In English, it's generally most dictionaries refer to it as being pronounced as him, just as him, okay? Now it is also accepted to pronounce it as hymn, so with a m sound and then an n sound, hymn. But generally speaking, the most common pronunciation is as him. Him is essentially how you say it. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.